I like that. I like that. All right. Here we go. It just got real. They're going to talk about that on the way home, for real. All right. Here we go. Mia Flo, are you ready? Diego, you ready? Kai? Remember, right now you guys are all enemies, so no holding back. Okay? Send them home crying. Guys, you don't want to lose to a girl either. Alright, here we go. One round. Oh, I want to go out to this one right here. Let's go, everybody clap! Go! Looking fresh. Oh. Ooh, I see you with the samba. Nice. Alright. Oh, nice one against Diego. Brought it back. Flavor. Let's go, who's next? Diego. Long Beach in the house, represent. Get it. Nice. I like that, Diego. Go. Oh, with the Hesper drill, chair freeze. 6 steps. Around, under, sweep, up, top rocks. Whoa. Represent. Come in with the drop. 6 steps. Ooh, the sweep under both ways. I see you. Diego's not holding back.